Addie and Grammy, and today we are back with another makeup video, and today we are going to be doing each other's makeup. So Grammy's going to be doing my makeup and I'm going to be doing Grammy's makeup. Put it open, and Grammy, I want you to look at all the pretty colors. And I'm going to be doing Grammy's makeup first, and then she's going to be doing mine. So, what should I start with? What do you want me to start with?
Okay, I kind of like that blue right there.
So you want me to start with your eyes?
Like
Okay.
here maybe.
Okay, I'll try to do your whole eye, I guess. I don't know. Okay, it's very, I didn't really get a lot, but, oh God, I kind of gotta get up a little. Oh, it's so pretty on you. It looks so pretty. I'm covering your whole eye, so you can't do a second color. Doing it again. Alright, what do you want me to change the color to on this side?
Yep, you're fine.
Okay, what color do you want it to be?
Ooh, I like pink.
It's pink, this one?
Yeah.
This one?
The dark one.
This
The
one?
dark one, yeah.
Look at this beautiful pink color. You're like Harley Quinn. Red and blue. Except we don't have red, we just have pink, but that's basically the same thing. Alright. You look so pretty. You actually look like Harley Quinn, I'm not actually gonna lie.
Oh my.
You kind of look like Harley Quinn. Right, so it's lips time. What color do you want? So there's a lot of colors for lips. And we have this beautiful lip gloss.
Oh wow.
So you can have silver, pink, this color, this color, this color, this color, this color.
Let's do that color.
You want to do that one? Okay. What do you want me to use? Should I just? I'm just gonna use this.
Yeah, it looks like a lip brush.
Okay, this color. What? If you don't get a lot on the brush, okay. You have an ouchie, so if it hurts, just tell me, okay? Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm getting to the ouchie part right away. Okay, I gotta get more of the beauty. Oh my God, I just went into your mouth. You're eating lip gloss. You're welcome for your beautiful dessert. It tastes so good, right? Okay, that's it. Oh, wait, do this. It doesn't really show, so yeah. My eyes kind of hurt.
Okay, you ready for me to do you?
Yep. Actually, I'm not joking. If you had like bangs and you had longer hair, you would actually look like Harley Quinn. I'm literally not joking. Okay. I wanted you to start with the eyes, and I want you to do this pretty pink on my eyes, both of them.
All right, let's see what we can do.
It's kind of that's already the same color, so if you want to get more, you can. And if you need me to move, I can just move for you so that you can reach it better.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Probably because I have my eyes closed. Okay, let me look at myself in this beautiful mirror right here. Okay, lip gloss time. Okay. You do not need a brush for this one, so I want this one. Which color do I want though? Silver or pink? Silver is more Christmassy. So I want silver.
Okay.
Let me get my hair back. Okay, I'm ready.
Oh, that is really shimmery. Let me get some more.
You just colored,
Sorry.
You just colored my tooth. I just colored my tooth. It's so
Isn't
shiny.
it shimmery?
It's like not. It's not even colorful. It's just like shiny.
Do you want me to put some blush on you?
Well, then I have to go back onto you and get you some blush. Well, whatever it is. I don't know if it is blush though. Oh, could Oh wait, that. I forgot to smile. Okay, no, let me see if it even. Okay, what color of blush do you need? Of this one, and this one. Or this one.
Let's try this one right there.
Yeah, you have this color too. I forgot to tell you.
Let's try that one.
You want to try that one still?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try this beautifulness on you. I'm a professional at this, guys. Trust me. Oh, wait. Oopsies, I just scratched it. I don't know if I scratched you. It's hard. Yeah, it's kind of hurt.
It didn't hurt.
Okay, good. Because I don't want to hurt you. Because I don't want to be hurting people instead of making people beautiful. Oh, wait. That's the wrong way. Oh, my God. Can't hold anything either. Did that hurt?
Mm-mm.
I think I need more because it's like not even showing. No, for you it's not showing, but for me it is. We might have to use that one for it to show.
That's fine.
You're not even smiling. That's the thing. You're so beautiful, like a beautiful star. Okay, I need to do this. Wait, which should I do? Oh wait, it doesn't matter because I did it on the bottom. Beautiful. All right. Are you done? Mm-hmm. All right. We both can look at ourselves, even though we've already looked at ourselves. You can look at your blush.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, it's so big. I love everything. So, what else do you want to do with this thing? Do you want to add anything on you?
Yeah, why don't you add a little bit more eyeshadow?
On which eye? On the left or the right? Both?
Yeah, just make it really pretty.
Okay. This blue, right? You did this blue, right?
That's pretty.
Yeah, you did this blue.
Mm-hmm.
It's fainting, that's why. That's why, Grammy. It's going to be fainting all day. You need a lot if it's going to be fainting, Grammy. It's fainting away. It doesn't want you anymore. It's hot. It said, I don't want Coney. I want Addie K. or whatever. Whoever, I should say. Okay, this is a lot. So if you don't like it, you're going to have to stick with it because I accidentally got too much. Well, it's actually not too much. It looks like red though. Kind of. Okay, you can. If that's good. Is that good? Enough?
Beautiful.
Better? Like it? Right. I don't know what you want to add. What I want to add. I feel. I kind of want to mix both these together.
Ooh, that might be fun.
Like this just is shimmer. This actually has color.
Mm-hmm.
So if I use this one and this one would have more shimmer in it. I'm not shivering. So I kind of want to mix them. I want to see what colors it makes. You know, like a galaxy color, a purple color.
Ooh. Pretty.
What color does it make?
It's pink.
It's just pink? Wow. It's so shimmery. I knew it was going to be so shimmery.
And then let's put this on and it'll make it even more shimmery. Now, smush them together.
It's so shimmery. It's like the shimmer is made up. Alright, look at myself. Hold on. I have to look and see if I want anything to change. Why is there glitter on my nose, Grammy? Did you color my nose? Glitter, you're supposed to color my cheeks and not my own nose. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and seeing us do each other's makeup. So this is the finale. Grammy, show them your finale makeup. And this is my finale makeup. So we're gonna end the video right there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you guys in the next video. Subscribe, like, turn on notifications, even though I already said that earlier in the next video. But see you guys later. Grammy, say bye! Bye!